This is CNC milling machine 3-axis Fanuc ROBODRILL. First, we need to turn on the machine. Before turn on the machine, we need to open the air compressor. If the level is parallel to the pipe, means it's open. If perpendicular, means the air is off. Now it's open. Then open the main switch power. Press the power button. Press and hold until the screen is on. It takes few minutes to boot on the screen. Allow the machine to go through its initialization process. And now the screen is turned on. Then we release the emergency switch button. From the screen, we choose maintenance display input. If we want to turn off the machine, make sure we hit the emergency button before we press the power button.